Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from KPIT. KPIT is hiring 2021 passout batch for the role of training engineer. Qualifications should be either BE or BTech degree. What are the branches eligible? I'll discuss in this video. Eligibility criteria is 55% in 10th, 12th and in your graduation, or if you have done diploma, then in diploma also you should have at least 65%. Salary will be 3.6 LPA. There will be bond for 2 years. Job location will be either Pune or Bangalore. Last date to apply is 17 December 2021 till 11 am. Exam date is 19 December 2021. I'll discuss in detail about the exam date because there will be total 3 rounds and first and second round will be a written test. And what is the selection process, what is the exam pattern, what is the sample paper for each round. So for coding round also, which type of question they will ask in aptitude and coding, everything we will discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. But before that, let me tell you, there is a very big announcement from Unacademy. Unacademy is giving 6 months extra on purchasing a plus subscription for 1 year or above, and this offer is valid for 1 day, that is 10 December 2021. And if you will use my referral code, then you will get 10% discount also. So let me show how to do that and how to get subscription. So this is the Unacademy website, and I'll put a link in the description box of this website. Here you can choose any plan like UPSC, CSE, UPSC, CSE, board exam, anything you can select. Suppose I want to select IIT JEE, or you can say anything. Suppose let's select GATE and ESE. Okay, if I'll select GATE and ESE here, after that just wait for a while. Yeah, now here we can see we need to click here get subscription. Once we will click here get subscription, after that just wait for a while because page is loading. Now here you will find two options. First one is plus, second one is iconic. You need to select plus because they are giving offer on the plus subscription. When you click on the plus, here you can see avail free subscription extension offer valid only for today. So today is 10 December 2021. So today this offer is valid. If you get subscription either on 12 months or above, then you will get 6 months extra for free. So just if you will purchase 12 months, then you will get 18 months. If you will purchase 18 months, then you will get 24 months. Okay, and if you will purchase 24 months, then you will get 30 months. So this is very big opportunity, so please get subscription. Okay, and if you will use my referral code, that is ANUTIW10, once you apply this, here you can see you will get 10% off. Yeah, now here you can see now price is reduced and you will get 10% off. So this is very huge opportunity if you want to get any subscription. Okay, yeah, now let's move to KPIT. So yeah, so here for KPIT, here let me tell you, there will be total 3 strategies. First and second one will be first round will be on 19 December Sunday, second round will be 23rd December Thursday, and after that third round will be they will decide. Okay, that date is not decided yet. So each round is elimination round. Let me tell you about the yeah, here you can see about the salary is 3.6 LPA. Now let me tell you about the eligible branches. So eligible branches are computer science and business studies, computer science and information technology, electrical engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and communication, electronics and computer science engineering, instrumentation engineering. Here you can see academic qualification, any one track. So if you have done 10th, 12th, then BTech, then you should have at least 55% or equivalent in case of CGPA. And if you have done 10th, then diploma, then BTech, then also you should have 55% or equivalent in case of CGPA. Or if you have done 10th, then 12th, then diploma, then BTech, then also you are eligible, but you should have at least 55% or equivalent in case of CGPA. Your year of passing should be either only 2021. Here once you will scroll, here you can find the this is the registration link. Okay, once you click on this link, you will find this page. Okay, so here you can fill the details. After that you can click here apply. But let me tell you about other things. Once you scroll here, this is a test structure. This is very important. So day one plan is 19 December 2021. Time is 2.5 hours in total for both sections. Okay, section 1 and section B, both timing will be 2.5 hours including both the sections, and your test will start from 6:30 to 9. Okay, so yeah, after that here you can see, so in the section 1 all the sections are mandatory, that is aptitude, engineering, mathematics, professional skills and knowledge of English language and basic of C. So these are the four sections in this section 1. All fields are mandatory. After that in this section B you can attempt only one. Okay, that is either you can choose basic electronics and engineering fundamentals, or CS or IT engineering, or electrical engineering. You can choose any one of the three. So this is first round. After, if you qualify this round, after that you will be eligible for day 2. Day 2 round will be held on 23rd December 2021. This is 3 hours activity. Here this is the coding round. Okay, so this test will start from 6:30 to 7:15. You will get, okay, you can start between the, you can log in between 6:30 to 9:15 p.m. Okay, and timing is 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so yeah, shortlisted candidates will be informed further, and for the interview will be called for interview. Now let me show the sample paper. So sample paper for day 1, section A. So section A, they will ask aptitude, engineering, mathematics, professional skills or knowledge of English language and basics of C language. So this is this, let me show the sample paper of these subjects. So sample problem for on aptitude. So they will ask these type of questions. Okay, this is the question for the aptitude, engineering, mathematics. This is for knowledge of English. Okay, I'll provide link in the description box, no need to worry. This is a problem for C language. Scroll now, here you can find the section B. For section B you can choose any one of the three languages. So problems based on basic electronics or engineering fundamentals. So these are the type of questions. Here computer or IT engineering, this type of question they will ask in this section. After that if you scroll here, there are the questions for electrical engineering. Okay, this type of question they will ask. After that let's move to coding round. So for coding round they will ask this type of questions. Okay, so here they are asking this type of question. There will be MCQ questions also. Okay, rules for the test, this is very important, you can read about these rules. Okay, yeah, so that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.